Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Tips and tricks for staying focused and productive. So make sure to watch the full video. Set clear and specific goals. Setting clear and specific goals is an essential step towards achieving success in any aspect of life. Whether you are working towards your personal or professional goals, having a clear direction and focus helps you stay motivated and committed to your objectives. Here are some reasons why setting clear and specific goals is important and how to do it effectively. Provides direction and focus. Helps prioritize tasks. Increases motivation. Create a schedule. Creating a schedule is a valuable tool for anyone who wants to stay focused and productive. It helps you to manage your time effectively, prioritize your tasks, and achieve your goals. Here are some reasons why creating a schedule is important. Helps with time management. Increases productivity. Reduces stress. Helps with goal setting. Take breaks. Taking breaks is an important part of staying focused and productive, yet it can be easy to overlook in the midst of a busy workday. Whether you're studying, working from home, or completing a project, taking breaks is crucial for maintaining your energy levels, reducing stress, and boosting productivity. Here are some reasons why taking breaks is important and how you can make the most of them. Boosts productivity. Reduces stress. Improves health. Boosts creativity. Eliminate distractions. In today's world, we are surrounded by various distractions that can easily divert our attention and hinder our productivity. Social media, email notifications, phone calls, and other interruptions can disrupt our workflow and cause us to lose focus. To combat this, it is important to eliminate distractions and create an environment that supports productivity. Here are some tips on how to do so. Identify your biggest distractions. Turn off notifications. Use website blockers. Create a distraction-free workspace. Set boundaries. Stay organized. Staying organized is essential for maintaining productivity and ensuring that you are making progress towards your goals. Whether you are working on a project or managing multiple tasks, having an effective system for organization can help you to stay on track and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Here are some tips for staying organized. Create a to-do list. Use a calendar. Set reminders. Use project management software. Keep your workspace organized. Use the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method that involves breaking down work into short timed intervals, usually 25 minutes long, separated by short breaks. This technique was developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s and has since become a popular productivity tool used by many professionals. Here are some benefits of using the Pomodoro technique. Improves focus. Increases productivity. Reduces procrastination. Reduces stress. Prioritize tasks. Prioritizing tasks is a crucial aspect of staying focused and productive. It involves identifying the most important tasks and completing them first, before moving on to less important tasks. By prioritizing tasks, you can make the most of your time and ensure that you are making progress towards your goals. Benefits of prioritizing tasks. Reduces stress and overwhelm. Increases productivity. Helps you to stay focused. Set realistic expectations. Setting realistic expectations is crucial for maintaining focus and productivity. When we set unrealistic expectations for ourselves, we're more likely to feel overwhelmed, stressed, and discouraged. This can lead to burnout and a decrease in productivity over time. By setting realistic expectations, we can better manage our time, energy, and resources to achieve our goals in a sustainable way. Here are some tips for setting realistic expectations. Consider your current workload. Break tasks down into manageable chunks. Consider your past performance. Be flexible. Focus on progress, not perfection. Stay positive. Staying positive is essential for maintaining focus and productivity. It helps to keep you motivated, energized, and focused on achieving your goals. Here are some tips for staying positive. Focus on progress. Celebrate small victories. Learn from mistakes. Surround yourself with positivity. Practice gratitude. Take care of yourself. Taking care of yourself is a crucial aspect of maintaining focus and productivity. When we neglect self-care, we can become burnt out, fatigued, and overwhelmed. It can be challenging to focus on work and achieve our goals when we're not feeling our best. Therefore, prioritizing self-care is essential for staying on top of our game. Here are some ways you can take care of yourself and improve your focus and productivity. Get enough sleep. Exercise regularly. Eat a healthy diet. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.